Hello, John. How are you doing today?
Hi, Ms. Anderson. I'm doing well, thank you. I'm really excited to improve my English speaking skills. I feel a bit nervous, though. Can you give me few tips which will help me to speak English fluently?
Don't worry, John. With practice and determination, you'll become a fluent English speaker in no time. Let's get started with our tips. Tip 1: Engage in regular conversation. John, the first step is to engage in regular conversation. Practice speaking English with friends, family, or even in front of a mirror. The more you talk, the more confident you'll become.
That makes sense. But sometimes I'm afraid of making mistakes.
It's normal to make mistakes while learning. Don't be too hard on yourself. Each mistake is an opportunity to improve. Remember, practice makes perfect. Tip 2: Listen and imitate. John, listening to native English speakers is crucial. Watch English movies, TV shows, or listen to podcasts. Imitate their pronunciation and intonation to improve your spoken English.
Will that help me with my accent?
Absolutely. Listening to native speakers will naturally improve your accent and help you sound more fluent. Tip 3: Expand your vocabulary. Building your vocabulary is vital for effective communication. Read books, articles, and listen to English news. Whenever you encounter new words, jot them down and practice using them in sentences.
Sometimes I find it hard to remember new words.
To remember words better, try creating flashcards or using vocabulary apps. Regularly reviewing them will reinforce your memory. Tip 4: Think in English. John, try to think in English as much as possible. When you're going about your day, try to describe your actions and thoughts in English. This practice will improve your fluency and thought process.
I'll give it a try, but sometimes I get stuck on grammar rules.
It's okay, grammar can be tricky. Don't focus too much on perfect grammar at first. The more you speak, the more you'll naturally improve your grammar. Tip 5: Use idiomatic expressions. Idiomatic expressions are essential for natural-sounding conversations. Learn commonly used phrases like, "It's a piece of cake," or, "break a leg." They'll make you sound more fluent.
I've heard some expressions, but I'm not sure when to use them.
Practice using idioms in appropriate contexts. For example, you could say, "I aced the exam. It was a piece of cake." Tip 6: Embrace mistakes and learn from them. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Embrace them as part of the learning process. When you make a mistake, take note of it and try to correct it the next time.
That's reassuring. I'll try to be more open to making mistakes.
Tip 7: Seek opportunities to speak English. Finally, seek opportunities to speak English outside of class. Join language exchange groups, engage with native speakers online, or participate in English events.
That sounds exciting. I'll definitely look for opportunities.
Great. You're on the right track, John. Remember, practice consistently, and your English speaking skills will improve significantly.
Thank you so much, Ms. Anderson. Your guidance gives me confidence. I'm excited to start my language learning journey.